Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to save a section of your Excel spreadsheet. I'll let you know what version of Excel is later on, right? As a PDF file. Now I have this document here. It's a payroll spreadsheet that I sent to my client. What I did previously, I did a print screen of the information and I sent her I did a print screen and saved it as a JPEG file and sent her that JPEG file via WhatsApp. But I said to myself, I need to do better than this. This is not looking professional enough, and there's a better way to do this. So I said, I should be able to save this document as a PDF file. So let me show you how I did that. I'm going to show you how to save a section of your Excel spreadsheet as a PDF file. So the first thing, of course, we will have to highlight what it is you want to save as a JPEG file. So I'm going to highlight this information here. And I just want up to here. Right, and then we're going to go into File, select File. And I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to select Browse and look for the folder that I want to save the file into. This is fine. So we're going to look down here. We have, this is the file name. I'm not going to change that. We have Save As Type. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, click on that, and scroll down, and you're going to see the option PDF. Fine, that's easy enough. Now, if I leave it at that, what is going to happen is going to save the file, the entire spreadsheet as a PDF file, and I don't want that. I want a section of that spreadsheet to be saved as a PDF file. So to do that, we'll click on Option, and under Options we have Page Range, which defaults at all. You could change it to Page if you want Page 1 to whatever you want to have saved as PDF file. The other option is Publish What. It is default as Active Sheet, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose Selection. I'm going to click on that and click on OK, and then I'm going to save that. Oops, I need to change. Save that. Maybe change that to 2. Let me just go again. Go into Options. Selections. Already selected that selection. Click OK, and click on Save. Awesome. So here's my file, saved as a PDF file, and that's it. So I just send my client this document looking more professional. All she needs to do, just click on the document and just print, and she's good to go. If this video has been informative to you, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.